So here's my auctions project for pset 1, and here we have active listings. But first let's go and create a listing. So if I go and create a listing, let's put like t-shirts, let's put some information about t-shirts, we're very cozy t-shirts, and let's put starting bid of 10. We also want an image URL. So if I go and search up t-shirts inside my web browser, and I go to images, I can select any image I want and copy the image link and paste it here. So after doing that and selecting a category, you can see at the bottom we have our listings where it's t-shirt, it's price of 10, very cozy t-shirts. If we want to bid on this t-shirt, we can click on the image, and then here we can start to bid, where we have to do anything higher than £10. So for example, if we want to put £11, then it changes this to £11. It also says that I'm currently winning, but the bid has not been closed yet. And since I made this bid, I can go and close this bid by pressing this button in the top right. After closing this bid, you can see this little close text, and I can't bid anymore. It also says that you have successfully won this bid because I was the last person to bid on this t-shirt. We can also, in addition to bidding, we can add comments. So for example, if you want to say like something like, I really like this t-shirt. So I really liked this t-shirt. After commenting that, you can see all the comments at the bottom. If someone else on a different account and a different laptop goes into this website, they will see this comment here, and if they post a comment, then I can see their comment right here as well. We can also add this to our wish list by clicking add to wish list. It teleports us to our wish list, and we can see all of our wish lists here. Also, we can remove our wish list, where now our wish list is empty since we have no wish list. Finally, I have category. Category is a great way if, like, for example, you only want clothing because you're short on clothing at home. Then you can just click this clothing tick box and it'll show us everything that has a clothing category. Like this t-shirt here has a clothing category, and some other stuff has like learning resources category, and etc. And so, before I end this video, I would like to show you admin. So if I type in admin, so here we have all of my models. We have bids, comments, listings, wish list, and then we can change them. For example, remember inside earlier, I created a comment called, I really like this t-shirt. Well, you could change that inside admin. You could put like, I hated this t-shirt. Hated this t-shirt. And then if we save, it is now going to be reflected inside the website. So if I go back, go to this t-shirt, we can now see that my comment has changed from I really like this t-shirt to I hated this t-shirt. So inside my earlier video, I forgot to explain what my models were. So here we have a user model. We don't need to worry about that one too much since Django automatically creates it for us. We have a comment model. So this comment model holds a user and a text. The user will just be the user, the person who made that comment, and text will just be the comment itself. Listings is each of the listings, and each of the listings holds all of these information. And each of the listings might be like a broom. So that broom will hold a image URL of a broom. It will hold like a name broom. The bid will probably be like how much money you want for that broom. Info is just a little short description of that broom. User ID is the person who actually put out that listing. Category is like whether it is a clothing, whether it is an item, and all that. Closed is just whether the person who made this listing closed it or not. All comments is just, it's a many-to-many field, meaning that you could have like many comments to this listing. Bids is just, item ID is just what item is associated with this bid. And we also have the bid, which is like how much they bidded it for. We also have user ID because we want to know who bid that amount. We also have wishlist, which is our final model, which holds an item ID and a user ID. It just tells us which item goes to which user inside the wish list. And so that's basically it for my models. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.